Hello and welcome to Unbox a Lego City rocket or whatever this is. Set number 3367. And here back. I will make this as two parts because there's two bags, as you can see. Yes, what's this? Okay. So let's unbox this. Okay. Bag number 2. Piece. Instruction book. Don't worry, I will post each picture as I used to do before, so you can see all the pages. And bag number 1. Uh-oh. Stickers. Anyway, this is it. I will start to build these maybe tomorrow, but you will see these directly. Anyway, thanks for watching.